And therefore we need to prepare ourselves for the worst case scenario, a sort of Armageddon situation. If all else fails, we got to be able to look after our people and to protect them in the wild, accusations, threats that are being made against us from different platforms. We see a rise in this hate speech currently in South Africa, especially after the Donald Trump announcement, where several Afrikaners was taken to the United States and are still going. But this is South Africa, this is our country. We might be white, but our forebears came from France, Britain, Dutch, the Netherlands, of course, and many other nations, Germans, to South Africa because we were persecuted by the Catholic Church in Europe.